So hello friends, good morning to all. Today's I'm talking about how to speak English fluently. How to speak English fluently. Today's I want to talk about how to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many peoples around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to the many peoples. You can make new friends. You can get a good jobs. You can travel to different countries. So how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends. You can practice with your families. You can practice with your teachers. You can practice alone. You can talk to yourselves in English. You can say, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words. You learn how to say the words. You learn how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs. You can watch English movies. You can listen to English radio. You can watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English. You can go to places where people speak English. You can listen to them and learn. Third, read English books. English is very important for learning English. When you read, you learn new words. You learn how to make sentences. You can read easy books. You can read children's books. You can read newspapers. You can read magazines. You can read anything English. When you read, you should read out loud. This will help you speaking. You can also read with your friends. You can read to each others. This is a good way to practice. Fourth, writing in English. Writing is also good for learning English. When you write, learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary in English. You can write about your day. You can write letters to your friends. You can write emails. You can write stories. When you write, you should try use new words. This will help you learn new words. Fifth, do not afraid to make mistakes. Do not afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistakes, you learn. You can ask your teachers for help. You can ask your friends for help. You can ask your family for help. They will help you. They will tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. Sixth, think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. You can start with the small things. For examples, when you see a chair, you can think, "This is a chair." When you see a book, you can think, "This is a book." When you are hungry, you can think, "I am hungry." When you are tired, you think, "I am tired." When you think in English, it will be easier to speak English. Seventh, learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. You can use a dictionary to learn new words. You can write the new words in a notebook. You can try to use the new words in sentence. This will help you remember the new words. 8. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to say the words correctly. It is also easier for people to understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Think about what you want to say. Then say it slowly. Ninth, join an English classes. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn many things in English class. You can learn new words. You can learn how to make sentences. You can practice speaking with your classmates. You can ask your teachers questions. Your teachers can help with your speakings. 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have a fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games in English. You can sing songs in English. You can watch funny movies in English. You can talk to your friends in English. You can do many fun things in English. When you have fun, you will be learn better. So thank you, friends.